Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to smoke on a grill. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to smoke on a grill is www.weber.com. Specifically the page titled Grill Skills, Smoking on a Charcoal Grill, weber.com. This is the link. You can also try www.patio.iobarbecue.com, especially the page How to Smoke on a Gas Grill, Patio.io Barbecue. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.grillingcompanion.com. The web page Smoking on a Gas Grill, Grilling Companion. Here's the link.